Well, I think there's a number of reasons. The size of the U.S. market for gearing alone, it's a $5 billion a year market, and it's also the ease of doing business in the United States. There's very few barriers for entering and starting a new business in the United States. There's a lot of companies today that, because of the low energy prices, are starting up ammonia plants, ethylene plants, benzene plants in the United States. It's a very easy country to do business in. Well, I think what differentiates us from some of the European and Asian manufacturing companies is the fact that the U.S. companies do more customization. They do more with custom gearboxes and with custom gearing. They don't do as much with, I'll say, standard products that you can look at a catalog and pick out a product and take it off of the shelf. Most of the companies in the U.S. that do that kind of work are European companies, to be quite honest with you. But I think from a pure U.S. standpoint, it's more that we do customization and of gearboxes and gearing in particular. Well, I think that the U.S. is a pretty earlier adopter of technologies, and so I think that's one thing. Most of the companies in the U.S. Really thrive on the latest technologies, and at this Eurotrans meeting, one of the presentations we just had was on Industrial 4.0, and if you look at the people who are doing the apps for the integration of electronics and sensors into the mechanical power transmission industry, you're talking about the likes of Microsoft, of Google, of Apple, and they're all Silicon Valley-based companies. That's the biggest thing that I see.